Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another bike trip. Now this time, I've done this one before. I'm going to Langport Bike Night. I got the time to do it tonight. No scout runs, no parental duties. So I thought what I'd do, take you along for the ride, maybe minimal chatting, and just enjoy the scenery on the way to Langport from Taunton. So do sit back, grab yourself a nice brew, and enjoy a lovely scenic ride to the beer cider company just outside of Langport. And hopefully when we get there, I'll do a little bit of filming on the nice bikes as well. And while you're here, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time on Tom's TC.
No, I don't care if a man walked on the moon, if it's hoax or if it's truth. No, I don't care if Apollo really flew or just staged a photo shoot. No.
In 1969, the United States of America launched Apollo 11. This was the first manned space shuttle to land on the surface of the moon.
No, I don't care. No, I don't wanna fight. Not with you tonight. I don't care about anything but you. I don't care. I don't care. No, I don't care. I don't care. Just as long as I'm with you. I don't care. I don't care. No, I don't care. No, I don't care if aliens exist and the government's hiding it. No, I don't care if they're floating through the sky, objects unidentified. No.
In 1947, a UFO crashed near Roswell, New Mexico. Many theories suggest that extraterrestrial occupants were removed from the wreckage.
No, I don't care. No, I don't wanna fight. Not with you tonight. I don't care about anything but you. I don't care. I don't care. No, I don't care. I don't care. Just as long as I'm with you. I don't care. I don't care. No, I don't care. No, I don't care if a man walked on the moon, if it's hoax or if it's truth. No, I don't care